I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI to create a lead magnet, a sales page, and social media posts for the lead magnet in less than 5 minutes. My name's Jeff J. Hunter. Follow along. This is going to be very fun, very easy, and it's going to be something you can do for free in OpenAI. The first step is to first understand your target audience. So train your AI and let it know about who your target audience is, some of the pain points, and some of the desires of your target audience. And then you can ask it, create 5 ideas for lead magnets for my target audience. One of them is going to be a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a book or some sort of a white paper, something that people can download in exchange for their information. And watch how easy it is to create. You say create 5 ideas for the title, and it will give you some. Pick the one that you like. Let's just say, for example, I just did this one for the Executive Assistant Playbook. How to get the best out of your assistant. That's one of the titles it came up with. And then I asked it to create an outline for the lead magnet. And then it basically said, okay, section 1, introduction, a couple bullet points of what to talk about. Section 2, title of the chapter, a couple bullet points of what's going to be in there. And then what I do is I copy and paste each section and I say, write the first chapter, and I paste it in there. And I say, write the second chapter, and I paste it in there. Now you can add your own flair to make it your own. Like for example, if there's a section about how to train your executive assistant, I will say in the bullet points, talk about how to create an SOP. So you could add your own flair on what you want inside the lead magnet. Do that until it's complete. Usually it's 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters. And then all you have to do is say, create a sales page for, and then copy and paste the name of the lead magnet. And then afterwards you say, create 10 social media posts to promote the sales page. And ladies and gentlemen, within 5 minutes, you'll be able to produce an amazing lead magnet that people would gladly give their name and email address for. You're gonna have an incredible sales page that really dives into the benefits and pain points of the audience, and some great social media posts to promote it. So use that, get your lead generation up. If you want to learn more tips on how to use OpenAI and AI in your marketing, follow us here at DigitalMarketer. Let's go.